In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business account on Pinterest. If you already have a personal Pinterest account and want to start using Pinterest for your brand, products, services, or content strategy, converting that account into a business account is a simple way to unlock more professional features. A business account gives you access to tools that are designed for marketing, audience growth, and performance tracking. So it's a great option if you're using Pinterest for anything beyond personal inspiration. To get started, log into your personal Pinterest account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll either see a small down arrow or your profile icon there, depending on how your account is displayed. Click that area to open the account menu. From the menu, go to Settings. This is where Pinterest keeps the main controls for your account, including profile preferences, privacy options, and account-related changes. Inside Settings, look for Account Management. That section is where you'll find options related to the type of account you're using. In Account Management, find the option that says Convert to a Business Account. Click on it to begin the conversion process. Pinterest will then guide you through a few prompts to complete the setup. This part is important because it helps Pinterest understand your business and tailor your account features accordingly. As you move through the prompts, fill out your brand details carefully. This may include information such as your business name, business type, and other profile details related to your brand identity. Try to make sure everything is accurate and consistent with how you present your business on your website and other social media platforms. That consistency can help your brand look more professional and recognizable. Take your time during the setup process so you don't miss anything. Even though the conversion is quick, entering the right business information from the start can make your account easier to manage later on. Once you finish the prompts, your personal Pinterest account will be converted into a business account. And that's it. You've successfully started the process of turning a personal Pinterest profile into a business-focused account that's better suited for promotion, branding, and growth. If you're planning to use Pinterest as part of your marketing strategy, this is an excellent first step because it gives you access to the tools you need in a more professional setting.